Severe thunderstorm warning earlier today along the coast, and now much of the region dealing with heavy rain and heavy snow. Here's a live look at Medford, and just before we came on here for our main weather forecast, our producer was saying he could see snow outside the station. So even in our valleys, we mentioned this earlier, that there is the potential that we could see a changeover in our west side valleys, including in the Rogue Valley. We've seen that already in the Illinois Valley. Snow along 199, but now it looks like we are starting to see a changeover even in the Rogue Valley. So we are going to closely watch those road conditions overnight, but lower passes, higher passes will all be dealing with snow-covered roads and big travel issues. You can see the snowy conditions as you head north towards Glendale on I-5, snow-covered roads there through the summits north of Grants Pass. Here's a look at Jacksonville Hill. Very heavy snow falling and accumulating snow on the roads. We'll head south now. We are starting to see the precipitation move into Siskiyou County. Mount Shasta is starting to see the snowfall there, and we are getting some impacts on the roads. Let's head down to Mount Shasta. This is along I-5 and Highway 89. You can see the snow-covered roads there, and that will be an issue as we head through the rest of tonight. The snow will only get more intense in the Mount Shasta area. You can see this stream of moisture funneling right into southern Oregon, northern California, and the precipitation is so heavy it is dragging down that colder air and changing rain to snow at lower elevations and dropping those snow levels. It's 34 in Grants Pass, 36 in Medford. We did get some reports from viewers that around the Brookings area, there was even some snowflakes reported as well. Things are quiet but cold east of the Cascades. We will get snow to move on in later tonight into tomorrow. Very strong winds is the other big story out there. Gusts approaching 50 miles per hour in the Shasta Valley. We have some high wind warnings and wind advisories out for parts of the area tonight on into tomorrow. Here's a look at your forecast tonight. That rain and snow continues to spread east. We will have snow impacts for much of the area for tomorrow, and travel is going to be very difficult in the morning heading off to work and school. Chilly temperatures expected with still some blustery winds in our higher elevations and the east side. Winter storm warnings in place. You can get full details on these on KDRV.com. Many areas under winter weather advisories, including those I-5 passes, those lower I-5 passes north of Grants Pass. So prepare for snow, heavy at times, lower and higher passes, and even in some of our valley locations as well. Low visibility and some blowing snow, especially where we have some of those stronger winds. You can see that snow and rain spreading inland as we head throughout the rest of tonight into tomorrow. It's going to be a very tricky commute and travel situation for tomorrow. Caitlin and Jeff will be in tomorrow morning. We'll have the latest on road conditions. Here's a look at forecast snow amounts. Still looking like we will get significant snow, especially through the Cascades and the Siskiyous. Crater Lake and Mount Ashland, over a foot of snow expected, and the Mount Shasta area up to 2 feet of snow, and we will pick up at least a few inches through I-5 and the Wairika area. But good news for skiers and snowboarders at Mount Ashland. Here's your 7-day forecast. Rain, mountain snow for the coast into tomorrow. For Northern California, travel down south through I-5 is going to be very difficult. Snow heavy at times, breezy winds as well. The Klamath Basin will get some more accumulating snow, and road conditions will remain rather snowy. The Cascades, the Siskiyous dealing with that snow, difficult travel weather tomorrow, and still some lingering snow showers possible on Friday. We are tracking another storm system in for the weekend. And in the Rogue Valley, we're going to keep an eye on those road conditions overnight. But yeah, much of the area is going to be dealing with some difficult travel weather tomorrow.
Looks like at this point just about anything can happen, depending on where you are. Thanks very much.